Ever wondered how software is developed? Let's dive in and unravel the mystery. At the heart of software development, there's a process called the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC for short. Now, this isn't some cryptic coding language or a complex algorithm. It's a framework that outlines the steps involved in creating high-quality software. Let's start at the beginning, shall we? The first stage is the requirements, gathering, and analysis phase. This is where the magic starts. Software developers meet with clients, stakeholders, or end users to understand what they need from the software. They identify and document the software's requirements, which will guide the entire development process. Next up is the design phase. Think of this as the blueprint of the software. Developers use the requirements gathered in the previous stage to design the software architecture. They consider factors like user interface, platforms, programming, and security. The goal here is to create a design that meets the software's requirements while being efficient and scalable. Now, we're on to the implementation or coding phase. This is where developers roll up their sleeves and start coding. They translate the design into a language that the computer understands. It's a meticulous process, as even a tiny mistake can cause big problems down the line. Once the software is coded, it's time for the testing phase. Developers test the software for any bugs or issues. They want to ensure that the software functions as expected and meets the end user's needs. This stage is crucial because it helps identify and fix any problems before the software is deployed. Finally, we reach the deployment and maintenance stage. The software is deployed to the end users and the maintenance process begins. Developers monitor the software for any issues and make necessary updates or improvements. This stage can continue for years, as maintaining software is an ongoing process. To summarize, the software development lifecycle is a 5-step process that guides software development. It starts with gathering and analyzing requirements, then designing the software architecture. Next, developers code the software, followed by a thorough testing process. Finally, the software is deployed and maintained. Each stage is crucial and contributes to the development of high-quality software. So next time you use a software, you'll know the extensive process that went into its creation. From the initial idea to the final product, the software development lifecycle ensures that the software is efficient, effective, and meets the end user's needs. It's the backbone of the software development world. And there you have it, a simplified explanation of the software development lifecycle. It's not just about coding, it's about understanding needs, designing solutions, rigorous testing, and continuous improvement. It's what helps developers create software that we all rely on in our daily lives.